Do you want to change the default notification sound on your iPhone and set a custom sound? Well, you've come to the right place. I'll show you how to change the default notification sound and even add your own custom sound to the list. The best part is, it's absolutely free, and you don't need a computer to do this. First, make sure you're running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 17.2 at the time of recording this video. Apple added an option to change the default notification sounds or default alerts in iOS 17.2. To check your iOS version, go to Settings, then open the General section. From there, open the Software Update section and ensure you're running iOS 17.2 or newer. This method will not work if you're on iOS 17.1 or older, so update your iOS if needed. If you want to add your custom sound, you can go to Safari or download a sound from the internet. There are many websites that offer free custom sounds. Just search for free notification sounds or something similar and find a website and sound you'd like to use. Once you download the sound, save it in the Files app. Next, go to the App Store and search for GarageBand. Download and open the app. GarageBand is Apple's official application, and we'll be using it to create our custom sound and make a ringtone out of it. Tap on the audio recorder button. This will open the interface for recording. At the top of the screen, you'll see a few buttons. Tap on the Tap on the Export button, and your custom sound will be created. The last step is to set this custom sound as your default alert. Open the Settings app, then go to the Sounds and Haptics section. You'll see a new option called Default Alerts. Open that section, and at the bottom of the page, you'll find your custom sound. Select it, and your default notification sound will be changed to this custom sound for third-party notifications. That's how you change the default notification sound on your iPhone running iOS 17. If you found this video helpful or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below.